a.m.
Natasha is here, so have we shaken off the fall weather?
It feels like, okay, now we're just going to go right into fall and forget the rest of summer. Oh no, but summer has a few more surprises for us. That'll be at the end of the week. We'll talk about that here in just a second, but focusing on how nice and cool it is right now. 70 degrees, Kalama. This morning in Portland, our temperature was at 48 degrees. We haven't felt temperatures like that in months. How about right now? Portland, 73. Wind is out of the north at 9 miles per hour. Your temperatures tonight will be in the upper 60s. By the time we get to 10 o'clock, mid 60s. Okay, so what we have now is some nice clearing. Here's a loop of the last couple of hours. Nice to actually get some sunshine through. It was pretty tough to get that sun to come through over the weekend, but a nice break also from the hot weather and certainly helps in terms of firefighting efforts. Water vapor imagery, here's the big picture. Notice where we have this kind of yellowish, whitish color, that represents dry air. Where you see the bright white, that represents more of that moist air. So look at this big ridge that's trying to develop over the west, encompassing most of California, of course, and portions of Oregon over into the desert southwest. So we're setting up for another offshore flow event, which means some drying conditions and a little bit of a heat up. But how much will we heat up? I'll show you that in just a moment. A couple things you're going to notice. Let's combine the couple of layers at the surface and up above and talk about where that wildfire smoke is heading in the next 24 hours. We expect it to initially head off to the east, and then a little bit of a wraparound is taking place as we get into late Tuesday and Wednesday. You'll notice some of that wildfire smoke from Washington heading right over Portland and the rest of the valley by the time we get to late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Here's what it looks like at the surface. Our winds at the surface coming more out of the east, but also notice the coastline. We're seeing a little bit of an onshore to northerly flow developing, so kind of some clashing winds at the surface. So that means the amount of smoke that we're expecting may be limited, thanks in part to that clashing direction from the other direction, which might mean that we have air quality conditions ranging anywhere from moderate to perhaps unhealthy for sensitive groups. We'll watch that carefully and let you know how much smoke actually ends up filtering into the valley. Your temperatures for tomorrow will definitely be warmer. In fact, take a look at the temperature right now. We're at 73. By noon tomorrow, we're going to feel the same and then continue to warm up. So tomorrow afternoon, we're up to about 84, partly cloudy skies. Wind will be out of the northwest at about 8 miles per hour. So here's that ridging taking place. There's our trough first, then the ridging trying to take over as we get to Thursday and Friday. As we roll into Saturday, we could be seeing our warmest temperatures by Saturday or Sunday, but likely only brief, perhaps only a day or two. Here are your temperatures for tomorrow in the valley, up to about 84, upper 70s, central Oregon, eastern Oregon, low 80s. At the coast, we're in the mid 60s. There's your 7-day forecast. So you'll see a little bit of a roller coaster happening for us. We're bumping it up to 84 tomorrow, and then we get to Saturday up to 84 once again, in between mid 70s. And then we get to Sunday, which could be the warmest day of the week, upper 80s, and then right back to the 70s on Monday. You'll also notice a big fluctuation in those overnight temperatures too. Feeling rather cool though the next couple of nights in the mid 50s, and then back to the upper 50s at the end of the week.
All right, thanks, Natasha.